Colors. It's one of the most essential medium for an artist, and I've never tried it. Well, I have. Yeah. Once. I even made a whole video about it, and yeah, I know it doesn't count. So I picked up a new set of alcohol markers and pencil colors. I don't know the name. I watch a lot of YouTube videos and I see that people use it together, like they go hand in hand together. So I can't go wrong, right? But I think first I have to, swatch it. Is that what they call it? Oh my god, I'm such a novice. Let's just go there. Okay, so it is actually 11 o'clock in the middle of the night, and I've been watching a lot of videos on alcohol markers because I don't want to get it wrong. But then I realized I won't actually learn anything without practicing it. So I'm thinking tonight I'll just sketch the old drawings, and then tomorrow I can start painting, when I'm fresh. I think that's a brilliant idea. I decided to go in without swatching it, and I put a paper underneath because I wasn't sure it would play through. So I'm starting this painting with a lighter color because it is easy to lay on top and easily mix with other mid-tones and darker tones color. And I was basically doing this like I was arching with a pencil, since that's what I'm used to. My trick for this painting was not thinking so much about it, I just coloring to see how it comes out, and after I went in with a little darker shade of the same color to give it a bit of depth. I really enjoyed the first painting and I loved how it came out, so my confidence level was way high at this point, and I decided to experiment a little bit and try both colors.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Yeah, I messed up this time around. The color I used was way too bold, and at this point I regretted not swatching it before starting. I tried so hard to salvage the drawing, but it was long gone at this point and got me really sad. Going with both colors made the lighter tones redundant and not visible, and I started feeling uninterested in the entire drawing process that I even thought of tearing out the whole page, so I had to draw the air with a lighter tone of color to make it stand out.